a 2023 Toyota Camry. This is their current fob. Working good. And here's the new fob, which still isn't programmed. So let's fix that. Let's get to work. Now let's verify the registered key. There we go. Now let's grab the new key and put it up to the button. All right, we just added the key. Now let's just do an ECU sync so we can get the remote function working. There we go. Let's take the plastic off. All right, programming and ECU sync is complete. Let's go ahead and test the remote. There we go. Now let's start the car. And that was adding a key to a 2023 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching.